We always had a bias towards action, and our thing was, let's take the hill and we'll figure out the details along the way. Luck is you had to have opened the door in order to get to the other side. In 2015, we had, I think, 2 employees and a couple of good ideas. We started in the food and beverage industry, producing wastewater treatment plants. An MBR, to boil it down, is essentially the most technologically advanced wastewater treatment plant that produces the cleanest effluent, and the effluent is the end product. It's Cloacina's core competency. It's what we're hyper-focused on. I tend to deal with things in analogies because we're taking complex concepts. We used to be the race car drivers. We were getting into the cockpit and racing all of the vehicles. And at a certain point, we realized every race car we were handed sucked. And we were the race car driver and the pit crew having to service that vehicle. After enough defeats in the races, we just said, screw this, we're going to build our own race car. We threw out the entire playbook and we started with core principles. The Cloacina difference is the end user experience. It's all we care about at the end of the day. It's what drives a lot of the arguments within the walls of Cloacina. And those are really, really necessary arguments to be had. Unfortunately, our industry has discounted what the actual operators have to say, which is an absolute wild proposition. Everything is risk aversion based. Well, how do you have any innovation if everything is an aversion to risk? I stopped listening to the people that didn't matter, and we just said, to hell with it. We'll fund our own race car, and we'll build our own company, and we'll hire the people that are good fits for what we're trying to accomplish. So we've built a culture where everybody's voice matters. Being a family-owned company, I know that my brothers have my best interest, that all of us are rowing in the exact same direction. My opinion is, if you set your sights on something that's worthy, then everything on the way is worth it. Our industry moves glacially. You would have to take it over, a 100-year time span to really see actual net improvements. We are digitizing all of what has been kept in our brains, tribally speaking, and passed down from operator to operator, and we're turning that into automated processes to do more of that intelligent thinking. So that's the next step for us, is the complete and total automation. I'm not designing a product today that I'll build in the exact same format for 15 years. We're doing iterative improvements and closing that feedback loop constantly. Perfection is the process, it's not a destination. My brothers and I always said we want to build a company that we ultimately wanted to work for in the first place. And I think that's worthy of being proud of.